How you doing, everybody? Stock Option Sniper here. I hope you're all doing great. If you traded today, I hope you had an amazing trading day. I'm gonna break down some of the trade that I gave out to my team today. It was extremely successful, and we're going to break that down. First, we had here Spy. We had Spy here on a beautiful bounce in this time frame right here. Right there, we waited for Spy to touch that zone. I took a early entry, and I had to pay for that, thinking that he was gonna bounce off right around this area, but that's part of the game, right? But I knew where I was entering. Overall, I did give out the safer one to the team. I told them that they should take calls the moment it bounced from here, and that's exactly what we did. We waited for that double SB. If you're part of my mentorship, I have that's mentorship content. Don't worry about it. But overall, once we caught that trade, we literally targeted the 379, but it went as high as 380. Right? So we took it from 373 all the way to that to 379. And then we had a Nvidia. Nvidia was extremely amazing too. I can break down Nvidia. I'm still in this trade and I need it for my mentorship, so I won't delete anything. Nvidia, I took it on the way down. I knew it was gonna retest this pre-market high and it was gonna fail, but I don't want to start talking like that because that's not how it's supposed to be. However, there was a liquidity grab around this area. If you see this exactly right here, right? That last up move before the down move. And once I seen that, I said, hey, listen, we are looking to take that out. This entire block, actually. That last down move to the up move. Nope, this is perfect, actually. Sorry, you guys. I deleted everything, so... Right. So I seen it. I waited for that UTAD. Once I found that UTAD liquidating all this entire structure, I said we're gonna look to retest. I was waiting for an entry up here, but I said, listen, you guys, I seen that rejection, and we took it about halfway here, and I literally got out. I didn't like this bounce, but I knew overall 120 was the zone where it was going to bounce. But I had a meeting, so I could only catch this a partial of this candlestick. It was a great trade overall, and then after my meeting, I took that SPY calls, which we caught the bounce instead. But overall, that was amazing. I'm going to break down how I found this trade with you guys, and I'm going to break down a little bit more details on why individuals are still bearish on this market, right? So they're gonna constantly getting destroyed, but if you're watching this, you're definitely ahead of everybody. So I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to break it down. So as you can see right here on the daily, we are looking to target these liquidities now, right? Here, right? We see Nvidia looking to get up in these areas. Okay, just keep that in mind. So what is the strategy? I've been talking about structure, right? You find your structure, we make that color blue. We find that our SND in this scenario, we're only looking for demand zone because we are now looking to be bullish. Let's make that red. And we are going to wait for price to come down to that area, right? Once we see that come down, we confirm it via Wyckoff, and we have price going up, targeting the structure high, and you can leave all your position or you can leave runners, right? Taking that price higher and higher. So that's basically the strategy overall. And as you can see right here in the video right now is looking to target this 127. I did draw 127. That was a great trade. I gave it out to the team. If they caught that bounce, which some of them did, I'm super proud of them. And the best part about it was it wasn't just me throwing out the play. It was that they had the same exact zones as me and they know exactly what was happening, right? As you can see right here, we're creating that higher lows. We have high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, higher low, higher low, right? You guys can see that's an uptrend right there. So the composite man has positions around this area, mitigating their position, right? Because if they go below here, they're gonna be negative on their position. I have not broke down the reason for the reason for smart money concept on higher highs and lower lows. but there's a purpose to that, right? It's not just because that's the trend. Like, there's a purpose for that. That's another topic though. So how did we catch that bounce? Well, as you can see right here, we waited for that last up move before the down move, right? Right there. I didn't like this candle earlier, so I did put this candle instead, right? Right here. We went to my 15 minutes. I said, nope, it's still not good because this right here was already mitigated. So what happened was I went and chose this candle right there, right? So I said, nope, let me see if I can refine it even better. Nope, I didn't like that. So I started to clean it up a little bit more. And I said, this is good right here. Right? You guys seen it? Hang on, you guys. Let me make it smaller. And you can believe me or not, even though you see it, you see what's happening already. But overall, I gave this out to my team. My team, if you're watching this, you guys know what's up already, right? I measured that last up move before the down move, and I waited for price to come back there. So as you guys can see, that was a beautiful zone. Once we hit that zone, looking to rip up, trying to targeting 127, which I got was from this area, right? Excuse me. So tomorrow we are looking for more pullbacks. We can see a pullback around this area tomorrow, right? That last up move before the down move. We can see a pullback here, hold 124 and go up higher to 127.73. And that's another beautiful move for the team. If we do break structure, we are looking to see if we can get some puts on the downside. However, everything here, it's looking perfect, right? And let me see this. Let me see the 1 minute. Let's see if we got a story here in the 1 minute. Everything is mitigated. Nope, you see, so we still have position here that NVIDIA needs to come back, and probably it's going to fill everything up pre-market. So let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. We have a position here that needs to be mitigated also. So we can see that all happen tomorrow, or we break this and tomorrow we're puts, right? Or we can come here, tap 127.73 and literally just start to fall down, right? So I want to share this with you guys. We have individuals trying to have the market that is going up right now, right? Higher highs, higher lows, right? And then we have traders who don't understand what they're doing. Let me remake that. That's ugly. Right? Then we have traders that is not understanding what's going on with the market. Right? Who's just trying to short the market once again because it's bearish. But if you guys watched the mitigation video, I told you guys the moment SPY touched that 348, they grabbed all their position, not giving everybody to get out of their swings because they did that overnight. They grabbed liquidity overnight, push it down a little bit in the morning. For those who don't understand, they were only trying to trade candlesticks, right? So we have demand zones here. We have demand zones here. And we have individual getting those cookie effects, right? And then overall, it was a downtrend, cookie effect, downtrend, right? So now it's going to be the opposite. Now we're going to have individuals who's going to try to keep shorting the market and forcing shorts in the market, and they're just going to get destroyed. This is how it goes. This is why you need to understand where you are in your time frame. You need to do your own due diligence before you can start putting out trades. Excuse me, get some water. Excuse me, you guys, I need some water. So now we have trades that is happening around this area. We're looking to break structure. They will get that cookie effect, and now they're going to keep on forcing short because, right, they've been so bearish. So now they're looking for demand zone to sell off. They're going to get that cookie effect, and then boom, break right through that zone, right? Hit that supply zone, cookie effect, boom, break through that zone, cookie effect, higher. Now they're realizing that it was never bear market anymore. So now they're going to keep on trying to short, and the composite man getting their position back, right? Like we have this there's an individual that there's this group. I'm not gonna mention the name of the group, but Costco, right? They were looking at Costco. They were looking at Costco, and they were like, I see this diamond pattern. I think it was here. Yeah, it was here. I drew it here, right? But check this out. You're gonna see why, right? So the individual, I never even heard of this in my life, but I'm so open-minded that I'm open to see what's out there. And he was like, this is one of those diamond. I forgot what he called it. He just said some diamond, and I guess that diamond. He said it was bearish, and I said, listen, brother, it's not bearish, man. This thing is ready to shoot, right? I think this is how he drew it, right? And then you have that. Right, so it was somewhere around here. Literally, it was super close, and he was like, "This is that diamond bearish setup," and I'm like looking. I'm like, "Bro, how is this bearish right now? It's not bearish. In order for it to be bearish, you gotta go up." And I think he was talking about it literally right in this trend line. He was waiting for it to break, and then he had a bear flag. I forgot what it's called. Literally, I really have bear flag. I think it's called the bear flag, right? And what he's looking at is to break that trend line. I guess this diamond is, I guess, is bearish, and he's looking to take it to 304. But I'm like, brother, you getting the wrong entry. And what exactly happened? I started telling him 2 weeks already. I'm like, bro, we're still bullish. We're still trying to reach up to this 512. And right now, if we don't even hold up this 512, we can see price get that cookie effect and take price higher and higher. But he didn't believe me, and it's totally fine. But like I said, it's not financial advice. I need you guys to do your own due diligence first, right? But overall, I wanted to share that with you guys, that NVIDIA and SPY play that we had was extremely amazing setup. And those are the only setup that I'm interested in, right? These type of high quality setups. When I find setup like this, like, it makes me so happy because the team and myself are all eating, right? Really, all we had to do was take calls and hold all day. It was like one of our easiest trades. And we have individuals trying to short this fucking market, not knowing, is this bearish, knowing that it's grabbing liquidity and taking price higher and higher. But that's basically what it is, right? You guys, I just wanted to make this quick video and just do a recap of the trade today. If you are subscribed to my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe right now. I have content all the way until February already. So when you see this video, this is probably gonna release probably somewhere in February or March 1st. I don't know. I have so many videos, but in order for you to understand this video, you gotta watch the previous video. So stay in tune with the content. I'm against an hour long video, so you don't need to stay here for an hour, 15, 10, 12, 15 minutes. I appreciate each and every one of you that actually stays this long, even though it is a pretty short period amount of time for the content that I'm dropping, because I try to compact everything and make it simple for you guys, where you guys can literally say, okay, I understand it. I actually want to backtest the strategy that he's talking about. But when you watch certain hours and hours of videos, it's like it confuses you guys. And I know I do those videos, but now not here, right? Because not everybody's not willing to take the time, and I do understand that. So I try to do my best to keep it simple as possible. But once again, you guys, I appreciate each and every one of you that stayed this long, that are constantly supporting. I know you guys are killing it. Keep sending me photos of your result, of the way you guys are trading, the way you guys are sending me photos of, hey, this is an imbalance. Hey, I have this zone. Do you have the same zone? Like, you guys, I appreciate you guys that are doing that, because you guys are actually taking the time of your day to study. But anyway, you guys, enjoy the rest of your day. If you're trading tomorrow, trade safely, and I'm out. Peace.